everybody, it's Luke from Team Copperhead, and today we're going to be making some wheels. Last week we poured a new wheel into our wheel mold. Today we're going to take it apart, see how we did, and make another one. So let's see how we did. So now we're working on prepping the mold. We have to use some mold release spray. If we don't use this, it gets really difficult to take the wheel out. So we prep the mold with a mold release spray. We wipe it down to make sure there's an even coat across the entire mold. And then we can start pouring. So let's clean it up a little bit. That's pretty much it. This was our second coat, I guess you could say. Woo! It's windy here in Colorado. So yeah, we already rubbed it in. This is the second coat. Just give it a quick spray, so we should be all set. So we got the mold prepped. Got the mold release spray on there. So now we just have to assemble the mold. This is one of the hubs, the nylon core, and we've drilled some holes in it. This allows the air pockets. It stops the air from forming in the mold. And then we scuffed it up with some sandpaper because nylon's kind of slippery, and that should help the urethane adhere a little bit better. So we just put it in the mold and smack it with a hammer. Now we're just going to take a bunch of ratchet straps, clamps, and all sorts of whatnot and hold it together. Booyah! Here we are, ready to do our polyurethane mixture. This is a 1-to-1 ratio mix. So we're gonna pour about 5 pounds of this stuff, 5 pounds of this stuff, and then we have to, oh my God. And then we got this very nasty black dye. You don't wanna get this anywhere, don't spill it, because it'll never come out of anything. So we got the dye, we got the mixture, we got our mixing bowls, and yeah, so let's see how that goes. So we got everything weighed out. We have roughly 5 pounds of polyurethane, A and B mixture in each of our Tupperware containers. Now we have to combine them both together. And what we learned the hard way is that you only have 15 minutes total before it turns to solid rubber. So as soon as we start to pour, we got the stopwatch set. We're gonna mix it for 3 minutes, and then we're gonna pour it into the wheel.
this. You want to